It's time to put the man back in manicure with the Shears 3.0 5-piece precision men's nail grooming kit from Manscaped. This kit includes everything you need to cut, pluck, file, and trim your nails to perfection. The fingernail clippers are made of 100% premium stainless steel with a groove peak pattern for added grip. It also features a built-in nail file and cleaner to get those fine details. The kit also comes with a larger nail clipper perfect for toes. Whoa, but hold on there, buddy. Let's spare our viewers the foot pics. Just take my word for it. They work as great as the fingernail clippers, but are designed for toenails, and also include a built-in nail file and cleaner. The Cuticle Scissors feature a slightly curved edge for maximum maneuverability while taking care of dried skin, nail corners, and those pesky hangnails. The stainless steel nail file comes with a medium grit that is perfect for smoothing out your nails for the perfectly manicured finish. Finally, the kit comes with a pair of slant-tip tweezers for easy brow grooming and removing splinters. That's the face of someone who just put the man back in manicure. Order the Shears 3.0 kit by Manscaped today.